Mahano may tarang Ishing tarang Nushit tarang
Khoi thoe ningol chakouba chatle kai chali lo kho hairo khang mai nge hairo ningol kari ba ningol chakouba yeah I just it's a very long way though.
See Delhi Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Bhavanda khoi ningol chakouba gi kauri.
Hi, happy ningol chakouba ma'am. Santi pat.
Chichi sutage.
Kani ka? Ta doi ba?
Earphone.
Chichi ta re da. Nang ta.
Ayaba pero.
Khoi B.R. Ambedkar Bhavanda ma'am lak na rin. Khoi na sila. Okay, that's the venue. Okay, trampoline. Have reached the venue. Okay, bouncing house. Oh my god.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯦ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯥꯏꯊꯦꯝ ꯁꯨꯕꯥꯔꯥꯅꯤꯅ ꯁꯛꯄꯤꯔꯝꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ꯫
ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯆꯨ ꯀꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯇꯦꯡꯅ ꯐꯤꯔꯣꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯦꯠꯄꯤꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯖꯥꯠ ꯕꯤꯖꯥꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯕꯨ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ, ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ, ꯑꯐꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯐꯕ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯪꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯗꯨ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ꯫
Hello, Manipur have a say, Magi Mazakalai, they know her Pakanda, Manipur have seen Sumaina Mana, Manipur is Malem, Pumpkinimata, Satak TV, I Kogi, Isa singing, I take him up for Sage, I Kogi, Isa Kanguzam, the Cipriabo, the Sigi, DMCC, Sinzariba, they want Sakovi, or Siga Maridana, Wafum Karatambe, Nabagimota, State Sasida Kokochari.
One request like akoigi ibungda akoigi ibung singda akoigi imalibak Manipur kida aigi khudol ni jage ko aigi sumagi wish aigi ni jage ko ki akoigi sida labor relief camp myam dana moi je next year akoi khudol myam akoigi kaiba akoigi relief camp ta labor myam je next year akoi 2025 ki next ningol chakouba dana Moina punna moi masagi ningogi na hajikle de relief camp ta kugi land bigam sokna adu do moi gi masagi yumda harauna celebrate ta moina sije phangnaba oina ohain biu sije negi request je sije bung oina tawnaba kana hona je kha agi sate gi ju kana hona ge akoi gi Manipur gi land je akoi peace je phangnaba thu bida adu do
I congratulate all the ladies or girls who are working in the nursing service, government as well as private. They have really crossed Manipur.
A very good afternoon to one and all present here, respected members of the DMCC and the organizing committee and all the dignitaries present here. I am Athesa Khasi. I belong to the Mal community, and I came here to do some studies to prepare for some exams. I am very glad to be a part of this program today, the Ningol Chakouba. It is my first time joining a Ningol Chakouba program, and I thank the DMCC and the organizing committee for organizing such a program.
कम्युनिटी के लिए मणिपुर के लिए खास करके बहुत एक महत्वपूर्ण एक फेस्टिवल है। इस फेस्टिवल में भाई दूज कहते हैं। यस, वेरी सिमिलर। इसको हम हिंदी रूपांतर में इस निंगोल चाकोबा को कन्या भोज भी कह सकते हैं।
All the lovely ladies present here. I am a student at Miranda House, Delhi University, and today as we gather here to celebrate Ningol Chakouba, a cherished festival that brings families and communities together, even miles away from our homeland, I would like to extend a heartfelt thank you to the Delhi.
हमारे बड़े भाई मणिपुरी सिख अमृत सिंह पावा,
which I can see all my friends. Kasi am nanungairapan numidni that we are celebrating Ningol Chakouba at the national capital of Delhi. This is a proud moment for all of us. The meal is not very
के अंदर जब कोविड के अंदर था तब हमने काफ़ी लोगों की हेल्प की, जो भगवान ने करवाई, हमने नहीं की, उसने करवाई, तब हमने की। I'm very thankful to you. Thank you.
This is our first Ningol Chakouba, and it's a very special occasion for us. It's also my first time wearing Maitei Panek, and which makes the experience even more beautiful and meaningful. We're excited to be part of this celebration, to embrace the rich Maitei culture, and of course to savor the delicious variety of traditional Maitei cuisine. Thank you for welcoming us with warmth and generosity. Let's celebrate this bond together. Thank you.
The exchange of the Manipuri ladies at there. So that exchange, I was quite surprised to know that one of the Manipuri ladies has exchanged the traditional attire with that of Maram communities attire. So that exchange, with all the voice ko, si pokai hande ba. Imalay bagna. Imalay bagna. Imalay bagna. Manipur ima. Manipur ima. Imalay bagna. Imalay bagna. Imalay bagna. Manipur ima. Manipur ima. Akoy ki lupa tagi na thongna leiba, lupa tagi na sakti leiba ngakta akoy ki women power hai do, moi sini women power hai se, ladies power hai se moi sini. Kubak atoban ni jari. A big round of applause to all the respectable ladies out here.
Manana, ay harauje, aduga si Ningol Chakouba akoy mache akoy dagi ibung ipasing da bisan imba bordi. Lanse, noy nangamzaro, hay nagpizarage.
Mayam waru bidyaro isi wang ang bidiyam haizadabane. Ado ngasi sumaina akoy gi DMCC na sillaga ibung ipamyam singna sillaga Ningol singna maktane na sukyam na chawna maipak na pangthokpangambase sige damakta ibung ipasing bu yamna harauba nungaiba phongthoksari aduga loinana akoy gi leibiriba ladies wing gi sina khangdangai khotnajariba makhoi myam busu yamna achauba thongdang ama makhoi gi thongdang ama yaudana de sisu kanu tawba ngamloi aduduna makhoi busu yam thagatba phongthoksari aduga lakpiriba mayam pumnama busu yamna nungaiba harauba
ladies power gi, girls power, women's power gi marakta power mo oibiriba medam na singwangan haidi na maizari.
As kung kaya talaga. Afternoon weather ba? Siyam nungaire, kurumjari ko yam nungaire. What a pleasant day. Mayam si ubada pong pen. Ako asi pong
So happy ningol chakouba to everyone. Like today is a wonderful day for all of us. And angang oide hona akhoi di ningol amo oijabanina ngasigi numise adum ngaidana leijarakpane. Leisabi oigaidana akhoi iche ine mayam lakpodo moigi seba tauba. Adagi kon phengba mayam tawi aduga lohongra matungda akhoi namuk mayam dana seba tawi. Ada sung khalleba kon phenge da lamtai bada o haye akhoi na lohonga kana ko aduga na akhoi na lakan akhoi su nungai dawni haibagi amaga nuksinahan ba ibung ipwa nuksinahan ba ibung ipwa nuksinaba se family du da nuksinata di the whole lekai du nuksinahan ba. Aduna, this is one of the most binding force for bringing peace and love to the society. The moment you think of this, all these differences falls apart. And we are here, and best of wishes to all the Kanglishas, all the blessings to all you from all the Ningols. And with this, the way you guys are having this, we all bless you with all these gifts, and you will bring peace very soon before the end of the year. Thank you so much.
These are few words that I hold close, very close to my heart. And being a woman, standing in
ngasi DMCC na sinduna akhoi ningol chakouba program asibu pangthokpibagi damakta hanna thagachari aduga Delhi da lebiriba ipung pwa program sibu sinbada yauriba pumnamakpusu aigi pamdagi hanna thagachari matung lakpa ningol chakouba dasu mayam ama leptana kouba ngamba oibiyu haiduna aigi maiketagi haijari so yam nungai gisu first time ne Delhi da ningol chakouba yaoba phangjabase gisu handakta hanba oina Delhi da aigi nupagi posting oibagi aisu yaoba phangjabane adubu yumda yaudраga so sida mafam sida kaurabanina ipung ipasingna kaubirabanina aisu yaoba phangjare yam nungai ngasise pungnung shanungsiye lapna akhoi yumda chakouba yaoba chamanana akhoi aisu pauzei aduga sina sakchaba loirakpagi akhoi dakhina katpagi ne bung ipasing sina akhoi dagi dakhina katpa loiraga akhoi singse khurumnari ne taurise aduga yengse Dakhina katpashu loisilabane ngasigidi matang asida lushinjarage mathangi ningol chakouba da amu unarase amuka hanna happy ningol chakouba mayam yaipaminarase.